Hello and welcome to an Excel board tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a dynamic progress circle chart in Excel. This type of chart is great for visually displaying progress toward a goal, like task completion, server response rate or project milestones. Let's get started step by step. Let's first get our data ready. In cell A1, type the text progress. In cell B1, enter your progress percentage, for example 75%. In cell C1, type the following formula, 100% minus B1. This calculates the remaining percentage, the part that's not yet complete. We are adding this because we'll be creating our chart using a donut chart. Now in cell D1, type the following formula to join the text in A1 with the percentage in B1. A1, a concatenation operator, a space inside quotation marks, another concatenation operator, and then the function text with B1, a comma, and 0% inside quotation marks. What this formula does is, A1 in the formula refers to the value in cell A1, which is our label progress. The ampersand symbol is the concatenation operator. It's used to join text and values. In this case, it combines the word progress from A1, a space, and a percentage from B1. Quotation marks with a space inside are used to add a space between the label and the number. The function text, B1, a comma, and 0% inside quotation marks ensures that the number in cell B1 is formatted as a percentage with no decimals. This formula gives us the text progress 75%. Now select cells B1 and C1. Go to the Insert tab and in the Charts group, select the donut chart. Once the chart appears, go to Chart Elements and uncheck both Chart Title and Legend to keep it clean. Go back to the Insert tab again and in the Text group, click Text Box and then draw a text box. With the text box selected, click on the formula bar, type equal sign, and then click on cell D1 and press Enter. Now the text box dynamically shows the content of D1. With the text box and chart both selected, go to the Shape Format tab and in the Arrange group, click Align and choose Align Center and then Align Middle. This will center the text box inside the chart perfectly. Click on the part of the donut chart that represents the remaining value, which is the value in cell C1. Go to the Format tab and on the Shape field choose a light color. I am selecting light gray. You can also change the fill color of the completed part for a more vibrant look. You can adjust the whole size of the donut if you would like. To do that, double-click on any slice to open the Format Data Series panel. Then use the donut whole size slider or type a percentage to change the size of the whole. I am setting mine to 60%. You can also format the text box, for example, by increasing the font size, changing the color, making it bold for better visibility, and centering the text inside the box. To finish up with the text box and chart both selected, go to the Shape Format tab and in the Arrange group, click Group and then choose Group again. This links them together so whenever you move the chart, the text will move with it. And that's it. Our dynamic progress circle chart is ready, clean, simple, and fully responsive to any changes in the value. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching and I hope you found it useful. See you in the next video. Bye!